step off the train, I'm walking down your street again and past your door. But you
Hi everybody, this is Roxy and I have been on a mission to figure out how this tassel works. I contact the company, let me think, January 9th, and we've been going back and forth, and the customer service supervisor took a look at it with a bunch of people and they figured out the proper instructions. And she contacted me back January 22nd, so it didn't take that long. It's just I have not had time to show it. So after trying it out several times ourselves, we found the following steps work better. Step 1, wrap the material around the desired size of the tassel until you reach the desired thickness, starting from the left notch. So that's their photo. Oops, there it is. So we're going to start with the left notch. I'm not going to make these too thick. This is a little bit awkward to have this on this side. I don't know if that makes a difference, but we'll just do it that way. I'm going to stop this over here. Okay. Instead of wrapping the material around just under the bar, old instructions, and that's why I would get this kind of wrap across the back of the bar at an angle and tie it around the material. And I tried doing that, but then another part of this didn't make sense. So this is what they're saying to do, and this makes perfect sense. Okay, so we're going to wrap that around. I'm going to do it long for like a hanging thing when the tassel is done. Okay. Fold the tassel loom, and this is where the old version got really funky, because if you're wrapping it around, this would slide down. So it just didn't work. All right. Wrap desired amount of material just under the rod to form the neck of the material, or the tassel. I'm just going to do a little bit. Make sure you got everybody in there. I'm going to tie this first. This is kind of a little bit tricky. I'm going to just tie that off again. Okay, so we have that. Cut the tassel ends and cut any strands that are too long. So remember, this is the top. So we want to cut through these notches. Cut any strands that are too long. Remove the rod. Cut the strands. Remove the rod and slide the tassel off. Loop any material you'd like to the tassel's top before or after removing it from the rod. So I'm guessing, I don't know, maybe they don't. I think they didn't realize this first tie is what you hang it from. I like how they use little, almost like paper. They Probably had nothing else in their little desk to do it. Okay, so we're going to do that. And we just pop this off. And there's a good tassel. And then you can just take this for the top part. You could put beads on there too if you wanted. There. Cute. It would be, I would make it thicker. And then you can give it a little trim. But it was, I will say, they have, you know, good customer service, but I did have to pursue it. And I did escalate to the supervisor because it's just, you know, I don't like buying products that don't work. And it wasn't that it didn't work, it's that the instructions. And this happened with the, this envelope punch board. I don't know if anybody remembers, when these first came out, the measurements were off. There was like one or two that were off. So then you had to contact them and they sent out this sticker. And I love WRMK Creepers. I think they come up with some amazing products. But it's just kind of a quality control thing that, you know, as far as instructions sometimes go. But I'm glad that we got this figured out. I hope this helps. So thanks for watching. Bye.